Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own image or picture as a watch face. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. After the devices are paired, we can continue. We can open the Mibro Fit application on our phone. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the equipment icon, and here you should see the Mibro Lite device connected to our phone, as you can see. Now tap on the custom watch face option, the one with the star on it, and here we can create our custom watch face. We have options like background, style and position. First, let's tap on the plus button to select the background for our watch face, and we can allow the camera permission. And now we have two options. We can either tap on camera to open the camera app and take a picture and use it as a watch face, or basically select the image from our device, from our phone. I'm gonna find the image on our phone. I'm gonna scroll all the way down, and here we have some images. For example, we're gonna use this one. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on here, then tap apply, and now we can crop the image. Basically, whatever is gonna be on this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face, and we can move this area, this frame, we can make it smaller, bigger. And once you're done cropping the image, tap on crop, and here we have a preview of our watch face. Now let's tap on style and change the style of the clock. We have a couple options. Let's select this one, it's the most visible, I think. Then tap on position, and you can change the position of the clock. Once you're done, you can tap on installation button to install the watch face on your watch. And once the watch face is done being installed, you can see that it will be applied on your watch. Okay, and that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.